Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Tushar Shinde, 2007 batch IRPS officer, presently working in Pune as an senior divisional personnel officer in DRM office. I'm very happy to here to have an interaction with you regarding how to prepare for the civil services, state services, and how we should maintain our focus on the studies. This is the basic question, but it is very important in the life of the student who is preparing for the competitive examination. Basic things people used to forget while preparing for the services, that how to make the focus studies. Doing study randomly in a gross manner, it will create a trouble in the success. We have to basically start with the focus what is required for the administration or administrative examinations. We have to see what is required for the studies, what are the syllabus, how to get it, and how to keep in your mind. Many times you might have seen people know many things about the examination, they know about the all studies, but they could not crack the examination. The basic reason behind it, the not having the focus study and what is the demand of the examination. The basic part for the or basic duty of the coach or the person who is guiding you to show the path, okay, what is required for the success in your examination. We have to do the basic focus study. Many times people used to ask why we are getting such kind of problem. I would like to say first and foremost important thing, have the command over your syllabus. Give the maximum mocks, examination mock, interviews mock, your kind of prelims examination or mains examination. More and more you give the exam, you will understand it. Giving examination and leaving it, it is a very wrong approach. First example I would like to give for the prelims. When you give the 100 MCQ question, if you understood that my 60 questions are ready and my 40 questions are wrong, then you should see the why there is a wrong answer in the 40 question. You should go in the each question, see why you have been wrong in that. You go in that topic, complete it, mug up it, understand it by any way. If you cover that whole 40 question, you will understand you have a better command over the syllabus, better command over the what is required in the examination. That is the first. Same thing is for the mains examination. When you prepare it, when you give exam, then you check it out through the some more experienced person or the guide which you are getting guidance from him. See why I got the less mark. Whether I am having the less knowledge or I am having the lack of skill to present on the paper. If you have the lack of communication skill in the writing skill, then develop the writing skill. Then develop the command over the how to write the examination. If you are the good in the communication skill like writing on the paper, then it is okay. Then why the I got a less mark? Means you have the poor content in the answer. Then why you got a poor content? Whether your books are wrong, whether you are not getting a good answer content from the book, then change the book. When you feel that the books are right, content is there, but I could not apply that content on the paper, then you go ahead with your hard work in content making, learn it, mug up it, or you understood it, understand it, no problem. That way, if you go ahead, then you will understand that my preparation is going right way. Once you clear the mains, then come with your interview. What is required the interview? What is the requirement for the interview? What is required? There are many things are required. For example, it required your confidence on your face, confidence on your communication skill, confidence your communicating your content of the speech. Many things are required. For what is required for that thing? First of all, your basic thing is required, that is the knowledge. You must have knowledge about everything on this earth. People say that you must know. No doubt you must know. But whatever the things you are going to do, for example, you want IPS, then you must know about the law and order. You must know about the crime. You must know about the human traffic. You must know about the all kind of forces. You must know about the all kind of basic things about the policing. These are the basic things that may be asked by the interview team. Maybe other things may be asked, but these are the basic things which you like it. Suppose you like the foreign service. Along with this law and order, basic things they may ask you, but they will focus on your what you know about the external relation, what you know about the political side, what you know about the Indian relation with the other countries. They may more focus on the USA, they more focus on the China, they more focus on the Russia and the other countries who are around the India. These are the basic things required. When you say I like the IAS and I want to become the district collector, then the sky is limit for you. But still focus will be on the law and order, district administration. If you become the collector, what you will require for the, how you will react for this one, what will be your action when there is a such kind of thing happen in your district, how will you react? These are the kind of things you have in your mind. You should have the basic knowledge about this thing. If you don't know this thing, you are out of competition. Then first is your basic knowledge about your preparation and what you want to become. Second thing is your communication skill. Suppose you are good one, but if you are good in the communication skill, then I think you must focus on your content. But your content is okay, but your communication skill is not good. Then you should focus on the communication skill. What do you mean by the communication skill? You should able to put your views in a proper way in front of the interview committee. That must be in a proper way. Many times what happens? People know about the many things, but they are not able to communicate properly in front of the interview committee members. To interconnect the ideas, put up in front of the committee member at the right moment in a right way, that is the most important thing. In that perspective, you should be able to communicate in a sequence manner. I know, I can understand there are many times you get a problem for the communicating, but it is not a basic problem. You can come over it, you can learn about that things. I would like to share my experience. During my graduation, I started developing my communication skill, I should communicate in English and all that. And during that period, I was not able to speak single grammatically correct sentence during my second year. From that moment, I started my communicate how I should go ahead, how should I learn my English, how I should learn grammar. That I started, and I would like to tell you, I did a lot of efforts after my mains examination in the civil services. I focused more on the developing my skill. I started giving the mock interviews. I started reading many books wherever I like, and I would like to share my interview under the panel of my Purushottam Agrawal. That panel was terrific. When I got to know about this panel came in the same moment, I felt something going to happen bad. But I put one thing in my mind: I will give my best and I will achieve the things which I did it. You give the best and you will get it. There is no alternative than your hard work. No doubt, if you are talented, if you are really good in everything, but still hard work is very important. Until unless you don't give 100%, nothing will come out. Many times people used to come me and ask the guidance for the preparation, all that. But I would say very genuinely to all people, until unless you don't give 100%, nothing will come out. If you are giving 99.99, also you will not get a success, because now competition is very different, hard is, and now if you want to become the successful, you have to be best among them. Then only crack the exam, and not only the examination, you can be successful in the life. Examination is the only one part of the life where you crack the examination, you go ahead. This way, I would like to tell about the how you should prepare for the examination, interview, and all that thing. You are most welcome anytime to me. I would like to be very happy to interact with you and guide you. And sometime I would like to share my interview with the Purushottam Agrawal. That would be the one of the good insight for you in the future. Definitely will come and meet you again. Thank you. Thank